Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas day 12. It is going to be another random vlog today because I've just been working on my blog and YouTube, but I am going to share how I do my blog newsletter and give y'all a little behind the scenes of that. So I was editing the vlog that goes up today, y'all's yesterday vlog, day 11, but I needed to take a little break because my back was hurting from sitting in my chair all day. I need to get a new one because it is very uncomfortable. And then when I edit me talking a lot, it gets a little frustrating. So I just needed a break. So I'm about to do some laundry, do the dishes because I hate having a sink full of dishes. And I need to get my clothes out of the dryer because they have been in there for several days, and I need to make sure I don't need to do any of my husband's laundry. So I'm gonna do all of that. I will post me doing my blog newsletter so y'all can see all that. I think I might have already said that, but now I'm gonna get started on all of that and then finish up the vlog for today because that has got to go up. So I'm gonna get started on all of that. So it seems like y'all are liking my behind the scenes vlog, so I thought that I would do another one today showing how I do a blog newsletter. Just in case you didn't know, I do have a newsletter that I send out once a week. I have been slacking on it, but I'm getting my butt in gear and ending the year off right and not waiting for the new year to start being productive. So I don't send out an email every single day because those honestly drive me crazy. So I don't want to do something that I don't like. So at least once a week, and it's just basically a weekly recap. I call it Pink Friday. I know, very original, but pink is my favorite color. It's also part of my brand, so I thought it was fitting. So I just recap what I post on Instagram, YouTube, and the Like to Know It app, because I do post some things on Like to Know It that I don't share on Instagram. So if you have the app, be sure to follow me. I always link it down below in the description bar, as well as my Instagram and all my other social media handles. So other than sending it out once a week on Fridays, I do send one out if I post a new blog post. I should have already sent one out a few days ago when I posted my Target try-on. So that is what I'm doing today, finishing it up so I can send it out. So I thought I would share how I do it. So first of all, I'm on my blog because I wanted to show you how to sign up in case you wanted to, because like I said, they are the first to know about blog posts. They get the weekly recap. That way, if you miss a post on Instagram or YouTube, you'll see it and be able to go directly to that post or video. And then I sometimes do giveaways just for my newsletter family. Anyways, if you are new to visiting my blog, which is just aliciabice.com, you will have a pop-up asking if you want to be part of my newsletter tribe. So if you accidentally close it out just by habit, I do that all the time, or if you don't for some reason get the pop-up, then all you have to do is go to the home page and then scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you just put your email in here and click add me to the tribe. I feel like y'all know this, but I just want to say I would never give y'all's email out to anybody or sell it to anybody. Y'all's privacy is important to me, so just wanted to let y'all know that. But like I said, I'm sure you already know that. So if you've never been to my blog before, really quick, I want to just go over everything. So this is the home page. This is my Instagram feed. So if you see a picture that you aren't familiar with or you happen to miss, you can always click on one of these and it will take you to my Instagram. So these are my fashion and beauty blog posts. So here is the Target try-on that I should have already sent my newsletter out for. This is how often that I do blog posts. So I do have different categories, but this one is from October. It is the Tarte Holiday Collection, and this is a Valentine outfit idea. So if you want to see more, I do have arrows that you can click for that. This is my lifestyle, my blogiversary, the Derby event, what does self-love mean to you, some workouts, running the states, which is all of the half marathons that I've done. I did a blog post on each one. These are my most popular YouTube videos. What's in my bag is my #1 most watched video. Last time I looked, it has over 7,000 views, which is so awesome for me because most of them only get a couple hundred. If y'all didn't know, my husband did my makeup in one. That one is really fun to watch. Too Faced Sweet Peach, that was my most watched video until I did the what's in my bag. And then Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust, which is a Tarte palette. So fashion and beauty, lifestyle, and then I have different categories with lifestyle, eats, wedding, life, fitness, running, and workouts. Shop, the Shop My Instagram, and Shop Local, that is my reviews on local boutiques. And then the Shop My Instagram, that is where you can go to shop anything I've posted on Instagram, and it actually takes you to my Like to Know It feed. So if you don't have the app, you can always shop this way. YouTube, I have Vlogmas, makeup tutorials, vlogs, 13 days of Halloween. I know Halloween is over, but you can still see them that way. And then Vlogmas, I have all of the Vlogmas videos here if you want to look at them that way. And then holiday, I have my men's and women's gift guides, Thanksgiving outfits, and then this is where you can contact me, and that is my blog. So let's get on to the newsletter. Okay, so here is what my newsletter looks like. I have my logo up top, and then I do a little spiel about the newsletter. This one is longer just because it's been a while since I've done one. It's normally not this long, so don't worry. I have my little signature that I also use in my blog post, and then I have different categories. So here is my YouTube, Instagram, and then Like to Know It. Okay, so I have one more thing I'm going to add to the Like to Know It. I'm not going to overload everyone on my updated post. So I'm going to go over here, add in an image. I have already sent the images from my phone to my computer. So I'm going to be adding the Ordinary products that I talked about a couple of vlogs ago. This is something that I didn't post on Instagram, that I only did on Like to Know It and on my vlog. So now I'm going to add a button, and instead of buy now, I'm going to type in shop. And then for the web address, instead of going to my Like to Know It, I'm going to take them to my blog. So the Shop My Instagram, this is where that button is going to take them. And now I'm going to change the color of the button. And then this post is done. So I already added all of my social media. Down below I have my Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, my blog, Pinterest, and email. And I'm gonna click continue. So now it is ready to go. I have it addressed to everyone on my newsletter list from Alicia Bice blog. That way people knows who it's from and knows it's not junk mail. My subject, I put new blog post, Target try on. Here is the contents, and now I'm going to send it. I'm gonna send now, and that is how I do a blog newsletter. So I finished up editing the vlog that goes up today. It is currently uploading to YouTube. So once that's done, I just have to do the description, link everything, and do the thumbnail. I already took my thumbnail picture, so I usually just take one from the video. So I gotta do all that. But right now I'm gonna make supper because I'm hungry and it's 7 o'clock and I am having another exciting supper. Hamburger helper. So the only reason I've been making this a lot, I don't normally cook it this often, but like I said a couple of vlogs ago, I really need to go grocery shopping, and my husband stopped at the dollar store the other day and bought a few of these, and he stopped and got milk today. So this is the one I was gonna make yesterday but didn't have the milk. It's a cheeseburger macaroni. And the deer sausage is also super quick to thaw out because a lot of times I'll forget to thaw something out and I usually don't remember until it's time to start cooking. So I may grocery shop tomorrow because I ordered a sweater from Walmart and picked in-store pickup. But whenever I pick that up tomorrow after work, I may grocery shop because, as you can see, I really need to. So I'm going to fix this so I can work on some more YouTube videos. So that is it for day 12. Hopefully y'all enjoyed another little behind the scenes vlog. I'm gonna try and make something other than hamburger helper to be a little bit more exciting for y'all. And I work the next 4 days, so it's gonna be hard to film. So I'm gonna try and do another in-store try on. Let me know if there's any particular stores that you wanna see. I will be going to the mall on Friday, so if there's any mall stores you wanna see, like H&M or American Eagle, Forever 21, just let me know down below in the comments. And then I thought about doing Old Navy, and I really want to share some holiday outfit ideas since I haven't done that yet. So just let me know down below in the comments what y'all want to see, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow.